What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Luna Classic update. Welcome back. I hope you're all doing great, which I already said, I believe, but I hope you're doing double great. So yeah, if you're new to this channel, what I usually do in these videos is we take a look at Luna Classic. All right, we take a look at the price mainly today. Today we're mainly taking a look at the price, but also some of the fundamentals, news behind it, burn rates and stuff. So basically we'll cover everything you need to know today about Luna Classic. So I always start off with the volume, which is still decreasing. If you take a look at over the last week, we've just been decreasing in price and volume, which is a very bad thing, because the lower the volume, the lower the burns. The lower the burns, the lower the higher relatively we keep the supply, and that's just not great for price. All right, even though I know we have a great community at Luna Classic, we're just not burning through enough supply right now, and that's also visible right here. You can see that this is the burn tax. You can see that we have significantly dropped down over the last 3 days. Before that, the third, obviously, this was when the big Binance burn also happened. So that's on top of this. So that was an amazing day, but after that, we didn't really get the corresponding move. Was right here. We even got a bearish move. Didn't get that move. And apart from that, I mean, 4 billion Luna Classic is not going to cut it. Then if you take a look at the total, you can see that we have 14.3 billion. That's nice. And next Monday, we're going to have a big burn by Binance again, which probably is going to bring us up to like 10 or 9 billion Luna Classic burned in total by Binance. So it's like next week I expect us to have burned through 20 billion Luna Classic, which is amazing, but it's still not 1%. All right, it's like 0.33%, which is good, but if the volume keeps dropping, it's just not great. So right now, the only thing that can really help Luna Classic is fundamentals. All right, the price is not going to do it. You can clearly see a bearish market structure right now. Unfortunately, I've been hoping for Luna Classic for quite a long time that we would be able to hold some levels, and in all honesty, Luna Classic is very strong, and you all know that there's a strong community behind it. But what seems to be the case for me, for me about Luna Classic is that we're going to keep this bearish momentum. We're going to find support at multiple more levels. All right, so we're just going to kind of consolidate, drop down a level, consolidate, drop down a level. I think that's what's going to happen until we get some great fundamentals. So what could those great fundamentals be? And I would definitely recommend you to just keep some tabs on some news sites about Luna Classic. There are some great Twitter accounts following everything around Luna Classic. The thing is that something like a Coinbase listing or another burn implementation would be amazing to burn through more supply. If something like that doesn't happen, what we're probably going to be doing is consolidate a little bit more on top of 28,000, then drop down to that 26,500 level, consolidate on top of there for a little bit, then drop down to 24,000, 25,000. From there, we might actually have a technical rally. All right, it is still possible. But we're just going to continue that consolidation and drop down until we get some bullish fundamentals. I think there might be some bigger crashes in that whole downtrend and some bigger rallies. That's still possible. As I said, it has a great community that is able to do a lot of things. And even now, I mean, I do want to remind you that we have burned through some supply, and with current supply, we did manage to reach. We shouldn't take a look at that, but we did manage to reach, as you can see, levels around 57,000 and stuff. So it is possible with the supply, but it's all about the community. And if the community is not feeling it, which I understand at this point of time, it's not going to happen. All right, but you must know that even if we don't burn through a lot of supply, it's still technically very possible to get higher up. But yeah, so that's just, I also want you to keep some hope. Don't be too invested in it. If it's really affecting your mental health, that's what someone told me. Just take a day off, take a week off. All right, I do this daily, but I'm pretty resistant to it. So if it's really affecting your daily life, just cool it down a little bit, right? But for now, that's my take on Luna Classic. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to wish you all a great weekend in advance, and I will definitely see you all tomorrow. Bye.